Our coverage continues now of the coronavirus here in our state. The governor is defending his back-to-school plan. Channel 3's Caitlin Francis is back now with the latest on this. Caitlin.
Hi, Irene. So Governor Ned Lamont says he's got teachers' backs, but the Connecticut Teachers Association doesn't feel the same way. In response, the president of the Connecticut Education Association, Jeff Leake, said in part, quote, "Reopening Connecticut schools safely this fall will cost significantly more and may involve staggered schedules to reduce density and risk. We must ensure that all students and school districts have the resources they need, especially in our poorest communities, in order to protect against the pandemic, restore our economy, and address racial disparities in our schools. The state must provide the needed funding for our schools to reopen safely." He went on to say while he appreciates the governor's pledge, the concern lies again with those districts with high poverty, as well as students with special needs and English learners. Under the governor's plan, each district needs to create their own plan and then submit it by next Friday, July 24th. That way it can be posted online and parents can view them. Students and educators will have to wear face masks both in the classrooms and on the school buses. The state also wants to keep all students together in small groups. There will be building inspections as well to make sure there's adequate ventilation.
I'm going to do everything I can to give you the confidence you need when it comes to masks, when it comes to disinfecting, when it comes to social distancing, when it comes to cohorting, to make sure that you know that you can get back safely, if it's okay by a doctor for you to get back.
Hopefully we're going to have the opportunity here in the state, and I think we will, to bring kids back, at least for a period of time. We may end up having to close the schools at some point in the fall, winter, as this epidemic takes its course.
Meanwhile, the state's top health officials are preparing for another surge in COVID cases here in the state, saying it's a matter of when, not if. There's much more on what we know so far on the plan to reopen schools. You can find all that information on the Channel 3 app. I'm Caitlin Francis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.